Hello, you are listening to an article from webmobile.com. Webmobile, with a Y, provides quality, people-centered, professional mobile app and web development services with globally competitive pricing. The title is Breaking Down the Basics: Understanding Web versus Mobile Development. In the ever-evolving landscape of technology, web and mobile development stand out as two pillars shaping the digital world. Whether you're a seasoned developer or a newcomer to the field, grasping the distinctions between web and mobile development is crucial. This blog post aims to break down the basics, providing insights into the key aspects of each domain and highlighting the critical differences that developers need to be aware of. Introduction. The world has become increasingly interconnected through web and mobile applications, making development skills highly sought after. Before delving into the specifics, let's briefly acknowledge the significance of web and mobile development in today's digital age. Web development involves building websites and web applications that users access through browsers. It encompasses both front-end development, dealing with the user interface and user experience, and back-end development, handling server-side logic and databases. Mobile development, on the other hand, is the process of creating applications specifically designed for mobile devices, such as smartphones and tablets. This includes native development for specific platforms, iOS or Android, hybrid development that combines web and native technologies, and cross-platform development aiming for code reuse across different platforms. Understanding these distinctions is crucial as developers navigate the dynamic and diverse landscape of software creation. Now, let's explore each realm in detail, starting with web development. Web development. Web development can be explored as outlined below. Web development definition and scope. Web development focuses on creating content and functionality for websites and web applications. Front-end development deals with what users interact with, such as the design, layout, and interactivity. Back-end development manages server-side operations, databases, and business logic. For example, when you visit an online store, the visual elements like the product images and buttons, front-end, and the server-side processes handling transactions and inventory, back-end, collectively constitute web development. Web development key technologies and languages. Web developers work with a variety of technologies and languages. Hypertext Markup Language, HTML, cascading style sheets, CSS, and JavaScript are fundamental for creating the structure, style, and interactivity of web pages. Frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue.js enhance development efficiency and maintainability. Additionally, server-side languages such as PHP, Laravel, Node.js, Python, Django, or Ruby on Rails, are used for back-end development. These languages enable developers to handle data, authentication, and other server-side functionalities. Web development responsive design. In the era of diverse devices, responsive design is paramount in web development. It ensures that websites and applications adapt seamlessly to various screen sizes and resolutions. Techniques like fluid grids and media queries enable developers to create layouts that adjust based on the user's device, providing a consistent and user-friendly experience. Responsive design is not only about accommodating different screen sizes but also optimizing performance and user interactions across devices. It reflects the dynamic nature of the web, where users can access content from a desktop computer, laptop, tablet, or smartphone. Understanding these aspects of web development lays the foundation for crafting engaging and accessible digital experiences. Now, let's shift our focus to mobile development. Mobile development. Mobile development can be explored as outlined below. Mobile development definition and scope. Mobile development revolves around creating applications specifically tailored for mobile devices. With the proliferation of smartphones and tablets, mobile development has become a distinct and crucial aspect of the software development landscape. Developers can choose between native development, which involves using platform-specific languages, Swift or Objective-C for iOS, Java or Kotlin for Android, hybrid development using web technologies within a native shell, React Native, Flutter, or cross-platform development frameworks that enable code sharing across different platforms. Mobile development key technologies and languages. The choice of technologies in mobile development depends on the platform. For iOS development, Swift and Objective-C are the primary languages, while Java and Kotlin are used for Android development. Frameworks like React Native and Flutter allow developers to use web technologies, JavaScript and Dart, respectively, to build cross-platform applications with a single codebase. These technologies come with their own set of tools and environments, making mobile development a distinct discipline within the broader software development landscape. Mobile development user experience considerations. Mobile development places a strong emphasis on user experience, UX, tailored to the characteristics of mobile devices. Touch gestures, swipes, and pinches replace traditional mouse and keyboard interactions. App navigation is designed with a focus on the smaller screens of smartphones, requiring thoughtful consideration of layout and information hierarchy. Creating a seamless and intuitive user experience is a primary goal in mobile development. The success of a mobile app often hinges on its usability and how well it adapts to the mobile environment. Understanding these key elements of mobile development is essential for developers aiming to create successful and user-friendly mobile applications. Now, let's delve into the differences between web and mobile development. Key differences between web and mobile development. The following are some of the most prominent differences between web and mobile development. User interface, UI, considerations. One of the fundamental distinctions lies in the user interface considerations. Web development caters to a diverse range of devices with varying screen sizes and resolutions. Responsive design addresses this challenge by ensuring that the layout and content adapt to the user's device, whether it's a large desktop monitor or a small smartphone screen. In contrast, mobile development focuses on designing for the unique characteristics of mobile devices. The emphasis is on touch-based interactions, smaller screens, and gestures. Developers must consider how users navigate through the app using taps, swipes, and other touch gestures, creating an intuitive and enjoyable experience. Performance considerations. Performance considerations differ significantly between web and mobile development due to the distinct nature of the platforms. In web development, performance often hinges on factors like network conditions. Websites need to load quickly, and developers employ techniques such as code splitting and lazy loading to optimize performance. Additionally, caching strategies are implemented to reduce the need for repeated downloads of static assets. Mobile development, on the other hand, faces challenges related to the resource limitations of mobile devices. Developers must optimize the app's performance to operate smoothly on devices with limited processing power and memory. Techniques like image compression, background processing limitations, and efficient memory management are crucial for delivering a responsive and fluid mobile experience. Development workflow and tools. The development workflow and tools also vary between web and mobile development. In web development, developers commonly use integrated development environments, IDE, like Visual Studio Code or Atom. Testing methodologies include various browsers to ensure cross-browser compatibility, and tools like Chrome Developer Tools aid in debugging and optimizing web applications. In mobile development, the choice of IDE depends on the platform. Xcode is the preferred IDE for iOS development, while Android Studio is widely used for Android development. Emulators and simulators allow developers to test their applications on virtual devices, replicating the experience of real devices during the development process. Understanding these differences is crucial for developers as they navigate the intricacies of each domain. As we look to the future, let's explore some emerging trends that will likely shape both domains. Future trends. Looking into the future, the following will have the most impact in the direction web and mobile development will take. Progressive web apps, PWAs, and their impact. Progressive web apps, PWAs, represent a convergence of web and mobile development. PWAs leverage modern web capabilities to provide users with an app-like experience directly through the browser. They offer offline functionality, push notifications, and responsive designs, blurring the lines between traditional web and mobile applications. The rise of PWAs is driven by the desire to combine the reach of the web with the immersive user experience of native mobile apps. As technologies supporting PWAs continue to mature, developers can expect an increased focus on this hybrid approach that provides the best of both worlds. Advances in mobile development frameworks. Mobile development frameworks continue to evolve, offering developers more efficient tools for creating cross-platform applications. React Native and Flutter have gained popularity for their ability to allow developers to write code once and deploy it on multiple platforms. As these frameworks mature, we can anticipate enhanced performance, increased native capabilities, and a broader adoption of cross-platform development. Integration of web and mobile technologies. The distinction between web and mobile development is gradually blurring as technologies converge. Solutions like Flutter for the web enable developers to use the same codebase for both web and mobile applications. This trend indicates a future where developers can seamlessly transition between web and mobile projects, leveraging shared code and skills. As we look ahead, embracing these trends will be vital for developers seeking to stay at the forefront of the rapidly evolving landscape of web and mobile development. Conclusion. In conclusion, understanding the fundamentals of web and mobile development is essential for anyone navigating the dynamic world of software creation. Web development, with its focus on diverse devices and responsive design, contrasts with mobile development, where considerations revolve around touch interactions and platform-specific optimizations. The key differences in user interface considerations, performance factors, and development workflows underscore the unique challenges and considerations in each domain. Overcoming challenges such as cross-browser compatibility in web development and fragmentation in the mobile ecosystem requires a nuanced approach from developers. Looking forward, emerging trends like progressive web apps, PWAs, and advances in mobile development frameworks indicate a future where the boundaries between web and mobile development continue to blur. Developers are encouraged to stay adaptable, continuously learn, and embrace these evolving trends to remain at the forefront of the ever-changing landscape. In the nexus of web and mobile development lies a vast and exciting realm of possibilities. Whether you're a web developer crafting responsive and engaging websites or a mobile developer shaping the future of app experiences, or a client engaging developers, the journey is marked by constant learning and innovation. As the digital landscape evolves, so too must the skills and perspectives of those shaping its future. Want to hear some more from the Web Mobile blog? Please subscribe. Thank you for listening to the article from webmobile.com. A subscription button is available at the end of each blog post. We would love it and also encourage you to leave your comment at the bottom of the page. Cheers, hope you listen or read again soon.